Dialogue between a boy and a girl about new bicycle.
Hey, have you seen my new bicycle? I just got it yesterday.
Really? No way. I haven't seen it yet. What's it like?
It's awesome. It's a sleek black mountain bike with these neon green accents. The design is super cool, and it even has gears for different terrains.
That sounds so cool. Where did you get it from?
I saved up for a while and got it from the bike shop downtown. I was eyeing it for weeks, and I finally had enough money to buy it.
Impressive. You must be really excited. Have you taken it for a ride yet?
Oh, absolutely. I went for a ride around the park yesterday. It's so smooth and handles really well. Plus, the gears make going uphill a breeze.
I'm a bit jealous now. My old bike is starting to feel really outdated.
Well, we could totally go for rides together. Explore new trails and paths around the town.
That sounds like a lot of fun, actually. Maybe it's time for me to consider getting a new bike too.
You totally should. We could even go bike shopping together. There's something exciting about picking out a new ride.
You're right. Riding alongside you on my shiny new bike does sound appealing. Plus, we could plan some biking adventures together.
Exactly. Just imagine all the places we could explore. And who knows, maybe we'll even discover some hidden gems we didn't know existed.
All right, you've convinced me. I'm going to start researching for a good bike this weekend.
That's the spirit. I'm sure you'll find the perfect one. And when you do, we'll have a biking duo that'll take the town by storm.
Ha ha! You're pretty enthusiastic about this, huh?
Well, there's nothing quite like the freedom of riding a bike, especially a new one. I can't wait to see you on your new wheels.
Thanks for the encouragement. I'm actually looking forward to this now. Let's plan that bike shopping trip soon.
Absolutely. It's going to be a blast. And hey, once you get your bike, we'll have to celebrate with a ride to that ice cream place we love.
You read my mind. New bike, new adventures, and ice cream. What more could I ask for?
If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe below.